बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हमारा आज का टॉपिक है डिफरेंशिएशन। Our today's topic is differentiation. The learning objective of our today's topic is to calculate the gradient of the curve by applying the rule of differentiation, and this gradient we will use to find the equation of tangent, and also we will find the maxima minima in today's lesson. Derivative can be represented as y dash or dy by dx. Now here we will discuss some of the derivative constant. When y is equal to 7, any of the constant number, then the derivative will be 0. अगर किसी फंक्शन के पार्ट में कोई भी नंबर दिया जाए तो उसका डेरिवेटिव हमेशा 0 होता है. When y is equal to x, only x, then the derivative of this function will be 1. अगर किसी फंक्शन की वैल्यू x हो तो उसका डेरिवेटिव हमेशा 1 होता है. This is the most important one. Y is equal to x raised to power n. Then the derivative will be, you will write n as the coefficient of x and you will reduce 1 power from n. अगर y is equal to x raised to power n कोई भी फंक्शन दिया जाए जबकि n कोई भी नंबर हो तो उस नंबर को फंक्शन के शुरू में लिख देंगे और उसकी पावर में से एक कम कर देंगे, ये उसका डेरिवेटिव हो जाएगा. When y is equal to 3x, a number with a variable, then this number will not be 0, just like example number 1. Here you will write only the number, that is 3 in this example. अगर किसी वेरिएबल में 3x दिया जाए या कोई भी नंबर वेरिएबल के साथ दिया जाए तो उसमें सिर्फ नंबर आ जाता है और वो नंबर 0 नहीं होता, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1 की तरह. Now sometime the function can be given or written in form of fx. So the same thing you will apply on the other side, and the function you will mention as f dash x. Let's see example number 1. In this example, y is equal to x cube. So the same thing we will do, we will write the number in the beginning 3 and we will reduce 1 from the power. So the final answer will be 3x raised to power 2. अगर कोई फंक्शन दिया जाए x क्यूब तो वो नंबर हमारे पास शुरू में आ जाएगा एज अ कोफिशिएंट दिस 3 और उस नंबर में से एक पावर कम हो जाएगी, सो इट विल बी 3x स्क्वायर. ये हमारा फाइनल डेरिवेटिव होगा. डेरिवेटिव को हम dy by dx और y डैश किसी भी तरह लिख सकते हैं. Now let's see example number 2. In this example we have y is equal to 5x raised to power 4. 5 will remain same here, and with x power 4 we will do the same thing what we did in example number 1. So we will write the number in the beginning, that is 4, and we will reduce 1 from this 4. After that this 5 will multiply with this 4 and you will 5 4 times 20, x raised to power 4 minus 1, that is 3. So this will be the derivative of 5x raised to power 4. The next example is 5x. In this case you have a number with a variable, so this number will not become 0 just like example 1. This time only 5 will be the derivative of this function. जब भी सिर्फ नंबर एक वेरिएबल के साथ दिए जाए जिसकी पावर 1 हो, कोई पावर नहीं लिखी है तो पावर 1 हो, तो हमेशा उसका डेरिवेटिव सिर्फ वही नंबर आ जाता है. Now example number 4. In this example you have an expression consist on 3 parts, 2x cube minus 5x plus 3. So first you will solve 2x cube, the same thing, 2 will be same, x cube you will differentiate with 3 x to the power 2 minus 5x, just like this example here the derivative is 5, so here you will get minus 5 plus 3, the constant number, the derivative of constant number is 0. Here you will simplify 3 2 times 6 x square minus 5 will be the derivative of this given function in example number 4. Now here whenever you have negative power, so the same rule you will apply. This negative number will come in the beginning minus 2 and then you will reduce 1 from the given power, minus 2 minus 1, it will become minus 3. So here minus 2 x raised to power minus 3 will be the derivative of this given function. Here some of the examples are here. that how you will solve, how you will simplify first and then solve, differentiate this function. So in this case, you will break this x as the denominator of each number. So first you will simplify, x will come as the denominator of all these parts. Then you will simplify this x with x cube, x with x and x. You will bring it numerator, it will become x raised to power minus 1. Now you will differentiate this function. 4x square, it will become 8x. 7, this minus 7 will become 0. 8, this minus 1 will come, it will become minus 8, and x raised to power minus 1, another minus 1 will become minus 2. Now try this differential. Pause this recording and try to solve it by yourself. Here is the solution of this sum of the question. You can pause this recording and practice these questions. Some more questions are here for a better practice. Here we are discussing how to find the gradient of a given point. dy by dx is called the gradient of the curve. First step is we will find the derivative of the given curve. In second step, we will put the given value of x in the derivative. Now let's see with first example. Find the gradient of the curve y is equal to 2x to the power 4 at the point 1, 5. First of all, we know that dy by dx is called the gradient of the curve, and we will differentiate this function. When we will differentiate, it will be 8x cube, 4 will comes down, multiply with 2 and 1 power reduce, so it will be 8x cube. This derivative dy by dx is called the gradient. Now we will substitute the value of x, only x, that is 1 in this given point. So we will write 1 over there. So we will get the answer 8 as a gradient of this function at point 1, 5. Now let's see another example. Find the gradient of the curve. This function is given y is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 1 at point x is equal to 2. In this point, first you will find the derivative of the given curve. You will differentiate. It will become 3x square minus 3. Now you will put the given value of x, that is 2, in this function. You will substitute the value of 2, taking 2 square, multiply with 3, subtract 3, you will get 9. And this is the required gradient at the given point x is equal to 2. Now here some of the questions for the practice. You can pause this recording and you can practice these questions.